Packing for camping? Let's make sure nothing's left behind. Because nobody wants to be halfway through grilling and realize there's no oil. We start with the essentials: plates, skewers, aluminum foil, and yes, a garbage bag. Then comes the summer lifesaver: mosquito spray, because those tiny buzzers can turn a perfect evening into a nightmare. Oh, and don't forget the grilled oil spray to keep everything from sticking and tasting amazing. Plastic glasses and spoons? Absolutely. They're lightweight, easy to carry, and perfect for those quick campsite meals. Fire starter? Check. Tissues? Double check. You never know when you'll need them. Now onto the food fun. Fresh tomatoes and lemons to add that tangy punch. Bread for sandwiches. Crunchy snacks to munch on. And whipped cream. Yes, whipped cream. Because camping deserves a little treat. Noodles and sweet corn are ready to roast over the fire, bringing cozy comfort to the meal. But the star moment? Marinating the chicken and paneer. We mixed up all the spices, made a flavorful paste, and coated everything until it looked too good to wait for the grill. Honestly, that marination is what takes camping dinner from basic to brilliant. Lastly, medicines, clothes, and all our bits and bobs get packed carefully into the trolley bag. Every pocket has a purpose, from sunscreen to extra socks. And finally, bag in the car, adventure loading. So now, tell me in the comments, what's one thing you never forget to pack for camping? Because I bet everyone's got that one must-have that makes or breaks their trip.